Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to make a soft tofu stew. So first, let's slice the onion and spring onion. We also need a 1 pieces of green chili and also a garlic. Chop it into minced size. Next, in a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and a cooking oil. And add the spring onion. Then let's add the ground pork. Add the onion. And a bit of salt, red pepper powder, sugar, soy sauce, then stir and place it into small pot. It is better if you have a stone pot. And add the water. Stir and boil and add the mixed seafood, oyster sauce, and the soft bean. Add the green chili and egg. This recipe called sundubu-jjigae in Korean cuisine. Last, add a 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and a bit of pepper. And now, it's done! Let's eat! Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you and have a good day!